Hi everyone, today I'm going to go through my third assignment, which is nothing but tensor operations practice. So here I was going to use TensorFlow 2.0 and also PyTorch to demonstrate all of the operations that we have. So this is my assignment definition, and let me start with my operations. So these are the TensorFlow operations. So the first thing that we have is we have to import the necessary libraries, and then after that these I created various tensors, and then I'm just printing out the properties like shape and type and also the number of dimensions. And then this is the typecasting of tensors, and then this is for the visualization, and this is where I'm doing the matrix multiplication, as you can see. So I just took np.random, so from 5 to 5, so like it'll take random numbers, and yeah, based on that I'm doing matrix multiplication. So this is the operation for that, and these are the other operations that we have, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I'm just printing out that, and after that we have the Einsum visualization, where I've again taken two different tensors, and then this is how we represent over here. So this is for the multiplication, ijk gives ik, and then yeah, this is the sum, ij, and then the this is the element wise sum, and then this is the outer join, sorry, I mean the outer product, yeah, that is what it's called, yeah. So also we have the advanced operations over here, where I'm doing the reshaping, the slicing of the tensor, and also the concatenation of two different tensors. And then this is the stacking of two different tensors, and then just printing out the diagonal, the trace value, and then the normalized, also the rank of the tensor, all of these, etc. So whatever I did previously, I'm just printing out those. This is for broadcasting, so just taking two different constants for this, and then I'm printing out the value. This is the figure for that, and then this is the gradient computation. So as you can see, uh, the number of dimensions and what is the data type, what is the shape of the tensor, and then all of these. This is the matrix multiplication. So these were the addition, subtraction, all of the functions that we did, and this is the Einsum matrix multiplication and some summation, and then the element wise multiplication, and this was the outer product. And then this is where we did some other functionalities like reshaping, slicing, concatenation of two tensors, then stacking of two different ones, identity matrix, and the diagonal values of the matrix, and the trace, and then the trace, the normalization of the tensor, rank. Basically whatever we did previously, we're just printing them out. This is using TensorFlow 2.0. Let's go to the PyTorch ones. So it's very similar to what we did previously, except we're taking Einops over here. So we're just we're doing basically the same thing as we did before. We're just creating different tensors, printing out their properties, typecasting them, visualization of the tensors, and then this is a matrix multiplication. As you can see, the operations are like much simpler over here, as you can see. And then these are the Einsum multiplication, and then we also have the sum, and then the element wise sum, and then this is the outer product value. So after that we have Einops-powered tensor manipulations. So and then we have the advanced operations. We're just printing the diagonal values, the trace, and then normalization, and we're getting the rank of the tensor. Basically whatever we did previously, but using PyTorch. So yeah, yeah, these are the results, as you can see. Yeah, that is all about the TensorFlow operations. Thank you.